In this video, I'd like to show you how I install a rag onto a modular frame. I've already assembled the 8x8 frame. I can put it together by myself. Now I'll show you how I stretch the rag. I've unpacked the rag and grabbed it by the corners. Each corner has a strong, tight elastic loop, which makes it possible to install the rag solo. First, I attach the elastic to one corner, then to the second. You can also attach the second corner diagonally. Sometimes that's even more convenient, but that depends on how the rag was packed and which corners are on top. Once all four corners are attached, the rag holds itself on the frame, and I can take my time tying the cords. Metal grommets are installed along the entire perimeter. On larger rags, the grommets are spaced more frequently. The rag includes cords in white or black. Smaller rags like 4x4 feet and flags sized 48x48, 40x40, or 36x36 inches also have corner elastics, but instead of cords, they use Velcro straps along each side. As an example, I'm using a windy gold reflective rag sized 8x8 feet. The actual fabric is slightly smaller, about 93 inches or 235 centimeters, to allow it to stretch tightly across the frame. This rag is designed for reflecting light. It has two working sides, gold and white. The gold side gives a warm, sunny glow when reflecting light. The white side can also be used for reflection, but it doesn't change the color temperature. The word windy in the name means the rag is perforated and intended for outdoor use in windy conditions. The perforation reduces wind resistance and makes the setup a bit more stable compared to regular solid fabric. However, in strong wind that still won't be enough. You'll need to take extra safety measures like using heavier stands and more shot bags. You can also experiment with using this rag as a light diffusion. Thanks to the perforation, it lets a small amount of light through, and that can create an interesting effect. I've tied all the cords and the frame is ready to use. Now I'm going to take the rag off the frame, which is even easier. That's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share your experience.